What's cracking YouTube? It's your broski. So I am coming at you with BossTachepa, TYK BossTachepa. He has a freestyle titled Kalindula Hip Hop. Yes sir, it's been a minute since I reacted to BossTachepa. So he dropped a freestyle. So if you're new to the channel, kindly do me a solid by subscribing to the channel. It really helps me out with the algorithm. With that said, you know what time it is, man. You know what time it is. Let's lock in.
You know it's classic, baby.
West side.
Marcus, baby.
Buddha Buddha. Chidida boom.
Season Africa.
Temeli dance. Epono tulina kabiri faba kali kuchira babiri. Faba kali.
Oh, relax, man. Relax. Like he just went straight at it, bro. He just went straight at it. Like the beat, he didn't even give the beat chance, bro. He didn't even give the beat the chance to breathe. You gotta relax. Slow it down, coach. Slow it down, Tachepa. TYK, you gotta slow it down.
Epono tulina kabiri faba kali kuchira babiri. Faba kali tawakatusange no tunembo pamubiri. Twalika bokisha kabiri tula.
He say wakatusange nende mbopa mubiri. Bro. So he say this talent, it's pure talent. Stinapande. You feel me? Stinapande. This talent is pure talent. He say mndwanga isi stina. So zakatupeza po na ndembo pamubili. This rap thing is inborn. It's in our DNA. You feel me? It's pure. He say here we is again. Tabwela again isebakari pali vajababidi. Who is he talking to? Who is better than them, than those two? Who is you talking to?
Epono tulina kabiri faba kali kuchira babiri. Faba kali tawakatusange no tunembo pamubiri. Twalika bokisha kabiri tula twista ku kabiri. Batutampa kona kabiri teti batupemira kairi. International kabiri tutwapisha kairi. Picha tema zale tetwa konfana kabiri. Tuwesha ngavira chali. Boss ali. Kudyama kula takwali na ngutole batamanga matafoli. Balangi show kali na competition.
Yo, this guy is spitting like he has hot tea in his mouth, like he's going freaking fast, bro. Yo, slow it down. Like Bemba gives me problems translating and you is going fast, bro. You're making my work difficult here. But was this your plan, BossTachepa? Bro, you're making my work difficult here. Come on, man. How is he gonna do me like that, bro? Slow it down, man. Slow it down. Yo, this dude is going fast. Yo, that's crazy. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
Vile chali, boss tweete ali. Makula takwali na ngutole batamanga matafwali. But show kali na competition monochiri. Ukucha pata yofona komene pika linga na bichofa. Tilinda posha sedela fyo kutali. Tabesha kwa pambali. Babukali mbe history. Malapa chali makotimba mpange history. Ndabaka pene bonse nyonse.
Ama rappers bali kumochari. Paka pia nkapange history. Oh, bro, he just strode the whole music industry. Bro, how is he gonna do that? Bro, yo. This dude is coming with the violence, bro. He is coming with violence. We like it. Bring the violence. Serve them with the violence, bro.
Besha no kuba pambali babukali mbe history mapa bali kumocha nako timba mpange history kapene bonse nyonse kwa timba twala mukala ali ukepushulo bakale fina chitasota kwali post
ukapushulo bali abakali if you're not tapa, like you can even go and ask go and find out from those who have been here before me, but what I'm doing or what I've done, it has never been done before. This is what he's saying. Yo, that's the translation right there.
Timba mpange history ndabaka pene bonse nyonse kwa timba twala mukala ali ukepusholo bakale fina chitasota BossTachepa konga nene mipanga masalali Mr. Tomu chitateti tumikopele po fyabusa chipi poko ponena mukalonga palisa gari
fuebo jipi kuponena mo Kanufenga palisa gali. So you can use that. You can use me for free. You can use us for free. That's what basically he's saying. He said you can't use us for free. If there ain't no money involved, we ain't gonna show up. We ain't gonna turn up. Basically say I know my worth. You feel me?
Uchitatete tumekopesadi abusadi Fwewe chipi pokuponena mukalonga polisa gari Kwaliba maki tuolo jago ni nebo chiferani Feri siki sana kuwa kutuara
Kwaliba maki tu kwaliba Jaguar but ni neo Ferrari. Okay. Okay, I'm on a whole different, like, you know, mind. I'm built different.
Nena mukalonga polisa gari Kwaliba maki tuolo jago ni nebo chiferani Feri siki sana kuwa kutuara na kula Kapere kwa maliwa shosta biki Narikana tene apu kama kabiri Kufisha wino bali Mupere kwa mazaka Na kelo lipamba lipauleti shepu patali Remwine ndiri mupepi mwise mumpisho kuta Kumwa ntembesha mwabe
He say nemwine ndiri mupepi ba mulefa ukumbika patali. So he say I ain't consider myself to be an upcoming. You feel me? Like I ain't gonna, like, you know, I don't accept being addressed as an upcoming. I don't think I'm an upcoming. Like I'm closer to the finishing line, but you niggas wanna push me further away from the finish, and you ain't gonna do that. That's why he's saying you ain't gonna do that.
Shepu patali Remwine ndiri mupepi mwise mumpisho kutari Ntembesha mwabeta bonse tyabakari Njanji na isenda penga militari Abatema lapa bemba kya matunka bonse bakapuri Iseni tupika vile bantu wasonte omukari
Bro! Yo, bro, he wilding right there, bro. He wilding. BossTachepa is wilding on this one, bro. He is wilding. So he say, yo, check out. My mind is, I take it more like it's a military. All these other rappers just rap amadunka. Tewa bari fia baka doli, nimaka doli fia ba unsama rappers. If you like ngaushusha vena kamba, ngatushusha vena kamba hivi. Come one on one we rap and people judge. They point out who is the best. But who is he talking to? He's talking to the whole bro, he's talking to the whole industry, bro. He's addressing the entire rap industry, bro. Yo, this dude is coming with, bro. Yo, this dude is spazzing here. This dude is spazzing, like real talk, bro. Real talk. So he's putting out an open challenge rap battle. Yeah, he just put out an open challenge rap battle. You feel me? He just put, who is gonna enter into that? We finna see. We finna see. we finna see.
Iwe shosta bika perfectly. Narikana tene apu kama kabiri Kufisha wino bali Mupere kwa mbale Mwana kelo lipamba lipauleti shepu patali Remwine ndiri mupepi mwise mumpisho kutari Kumwa ntembesha mwabeta bonza Mind janji na isenda penga militari Abatema lapa bemba kia matunka bonza Iseni tulapeka vile bantu wasonto Unje benshi medi mwana piri poti pe Inama chanko hata pemanti kusha wisho salari Guys pota chirira bomba timu eri Tabeza Dari kuno turo mamburi 59 boys tuwali nyonga chiri territory Chimona basonga
bro, like this is just when I'm realizing, like this is a diss track right here, bro. This is a diss track. Like I feel like this is a diss track, bro. This song is directed to somebody. Like real talk, bro. Real talk.
59 boys tuwali nyonga chiri territory Chimona bazonda lepo yabo itari Ifani yuti na vicheni tuwami peda na pimbi fitari Vibweka shepo kabili platinum spam Ifani zambia kongo tuwafunya chofwebo bomfa konse Kano lukuno tekwari yani ni panko orosuri Unje benshi tuwali mishi bofo mwaba bonse kabili side
Bro
59 boys
Burn Up Media. Bro, that was gas, bro. That was gas. This dude this dude is gonna shake the music in yo, this dude is coming to shake the Zambian music industry. Like real talk. You better watch this dude right here. You better watch this dude right here. Pay attention. Don't sleep on this dude, bro. Don't sleep on this dude. Yo, let me know what you thought of the vid. If you enjoyed the vid, if you liked the vid, smash that like button and leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts, bro. Vamonos.